welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to be doing a squishy unboxing. So I have all these type of squishies right here, and I'm going to be opening them right in front of you guys, so you're going to see my reaction. And there's going to be a part 2 of this too, so stay tuned, but it's going to be after this video, so yeah. But first we're going to be unboxing all these amazing squishies, so let's just pick one randomly, not looking, and oh, what is this? I have no idea what this is. It looks like a porcupine. Is that a bear? Nope, it's a porcupine. So let's just rip it open. Or do I need scissors? Oh, no, I don't need scissors. Okay. And I didn't like the feeling of this. Let's just move that aside and oh my gosh, this porcupine feeling, like this spikes feeling is so weird. Okay, sorry, moving that aside, but look at that cute little face. So cute, so adorable, and so squishy. So it's like a brown, kind of tannish color, and they're all glittery. So that's really cool. Let me show you the spikes. Can we stretch it? Yeah, we can stretch it a little bit. It feels so weird. The spikes feel so weird. Okay, continuing. Let's just move that right there. Okay, I'm sorry. It's just like so satisfying to like just squish them. Let me move these aside for you guys to see. And let me put that back there. Alrighty, next one randomly choosing. We got this cute little cat? Bear? I have no idea. It doesn't give any hints. Okay, here. We got a blue glittery thingy. Something that's squishy. Something that's, oh, it's so cute though. This one like rub its cute stomach. It's so cute. I like its eyes closed. It's so cute. You can like just stick it on the phone case and be like, stress reliever. It's just so squishy. So let's put that there. I'm already liking this. Next one we got this thingy. Is that a cat? Is that a bunny? Is that a mouse? I have no clue. Let's see here. And oh gosh. So hard to tell what it is. I think it's a mouse. I don't know. This hair is kind of making me get confused. I don't know what it is, but it looks adorable and squishy, so yay. We got another squishy added to our collection. Oh, and warning, if you put this on any type of place, like on the carpet, it will stick to hair everywhere. So please do not put it on the carpet. You're going to mess up your little jiggly squishies. Next one is my favorite one. I saw this and I was like, oh my god, is that actually a fish? But I'm kind of confused. I don't see the fins or anything, so let's find out. It looks super cool. Oh my gosh, its eyes are irritating me. Ew, it's disgusting. Looks like you're holding a live fish or something in your hand. And you can stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. Yes. Oh, it feels so weird. I'm gonna just put that down. Looks so weird. Feels so weird. Next one we got this. Oh, wrong way. That cute little cat, which is blurry to see. Hold up. Come on. Look. Focus there. There. You see that cat? It's so cute. I think this is my favorite one. Let's find out. Oh, open. Open. Okay. Other side. There you go. Take that cute little cat out. Aw, so cute, so glittery. I don't even want to squish it. So adorable. I want to put this on my phone case. Like, so cute and adorable. I love it. So cute. Better than the fish. But the fish is really cool. Oops, sorry. The next one we got here is this. Is it? It's a unicorn. It's a unicorn. Oh, we have to open it. Come on, open. There. Yes, come on. Just take it out. Yeah, okay, there. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's a unicorn. Look at his horns, like little jiggling. Wait. On the back, it looks like a T-Rex. What is going on here? What is this? Okay, I'm just gonna see if I can take this off. No, you can't. Okay, there you go. That's kind of irritating. Little jiggly T-Rex. T-Rex. I don't know. So squishy though, and it's like a white kind of pinkish color. Whitish pinkish color, and this one is not as glittery. So, that's weird. But really cute. Really adorable. Did you see that? When I was putting him down, it was like jiggling too. Jiggle, jiggle. So cute. Next one. Boop. There we have it. So foamy, I guess, inside. It looks like Rudolph. Look. You guys see that? I'll just open it for you guys. Oh no! He fell. Well, this one's a really glittery one, and it's Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, but it has no antlers. Makes no sense. Is it a bear? Is it a mouse? Who knows? But it's so cute, so adorable. That's one thing. Alrighty. Oh, looks so irritating. Look. The eyes are creeping me out. Alrighty, next one. We have this thing. Have no idea what it is, but let's open it. Ah, okay. And we have an elephant that's lying down. Or is that I don't know what it is. I think it's an elephant. I'm gonna call it an elephant. So squishy. That's really cute. That's like a pure white color. Next one we got here is a lion bear, I think, or I don't know. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, that's super confusing. I am super confused. Comment down below if you know what this is. I don't know what it is. It's giving like it's I don't know. It's squishy. It's cute, but I don't know what it is. It looks like a lying bear that's skiing down a hill. Whee! But it looks with no reaction. Okay, that's cool. Next one, we have this thing. Let's open it. Okay. We have, I have no idea what this is either. Okay. So it's a little wiggly thingy. I don't know what this is. Oh my gosh, you guys have to help me, seriously. Oh, I know what this is. This is a starfish. Oh, how cute that is. It's so cute. Okay. So we have a starfish right here. Let's see how far its arms can stretch. As far as the screen. Wow. That's really cute. I like this one. I really like that one. It's the most simplest one that I have, but really cute. Next one, we got this thingy. Let's see here. A bunny. Oh, wow. First time I got it first right. I don't know, but okay. It looks like a bunny to me. It looks so cute. It's like a cute little bunny. This one's just like so cute. I just love that one so much. Alrighty, and the last one that I've been waiting for is this adorable little, come on, get up, turtle. And I know the perfect name for him, Shelly. His name is gonna be Shelly the turtle. Oh, its mouth is open. Oh, that's cute. Okay, well, these were all of my squishies, jiggly squishies. I call them jiggly squishies because they jiggle a lot. Please comment down below and help me, like, understand what this is. I don't know what it is. It's so confusing. Is it, a stretchy thingy? But it's really long and stretchy. I have no idea. But, okay, it's something. And this one is really cute. I love this one. So, I'm gonna be picking my #1 favorite. And that is, that's super hard because I like this one, okay? I like this one. I think I'm gonna pick this one. This one's really cute. So, this one is a winner, and I'm gonna name it a Poochie Cat. Mochi Poochie cat. It's so cute, so squishy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what is that thing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys!